Thanks for coming back to check out another wig review. So today I have a brand new synthetic wig from Outre hair, and it's been a minute since I reviewed an Outre wig, so I'm super excited to do this one. This wig review is courtesy of Sam's Beauty, so make sure you guys check out samsbeauty.com. They have everything from wigs, weaves, crochet styles to makeup and more. So definitely go check them out. Guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Guys, the unit that I have today is the 3A Passion Curl, and it is the Big Beautiful Hair Collection. This is their new half wig. This wig does come in 3 different styles. I believe they released this Passion Curl. They released a Tigress Tendril or something. They released another one too. So there are 3 different ones. So this one is the Passion Curl. So this is a half wig, so you will have to work with some leave out or at least some of your own edges because it does not have any lace for you to work with. So the color I have today is 1B, but it looks like it does come in a multitude of different colors, so you can definitely check out those. So this is the curl pattern. I already can tell I'm going to absolutely love this unit. I do wish it was a little lighter. I probably could have went for a 2. I really like a 2 and a 4 in curly units like this. I don't know why, because a 1B is my natural hair color. So let's take a look at the cap construction. It looks like we just have 2 combs on the side. We have no lace. It's just that flip over for the half wig. We also have a large comb in the back and 2 adjustable straps. So before I pop this bad boy on, you can see that I have 4 large braids in my head. My hair is all natural, but it is blow dried at the moment. So I'm going to pull out my edges so that I have something to work with for blending. So my braids are very, very loose. So it's very easy for me to pull out my edges. I would not suggest doing this if your braids are tight or they're fresh. My braids are old and they were loose even when I first put them in. Okay, that looks like it doesn't want to come out of that braid. All right, so this is what we are working with. I'm gonna just shake this bad boy a little bit. Okay, she is fitting nice and snug. I'll go ahead and okay. So this is what we are working with. So I'm like, maybe I could have left a little bit more hair out. Freak it the way I have it because it's not really showing too much. Ooh, look at her. She is fabulous. Effortless slay, like instantly. She's bomb. She's so bomb. So cute. Gonna frame my face a little bit. You know, when you get a curly wig, you always want to make it work for you. It's not going to be yours straight out the pack. You gotta freak it a little bit towards your style and your look. But I will say she's pretty much perfect. Almost perfect straight out the pack. Like, she's super, super dope. Yes, hair. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Yes. Yes, hair and curls. Okay, let's see what we want to do with these baby hairs. You guys, I absolutely love this wig. She is so cute, so effortless. I think I'm definitely gonna wear her tomorrow. You don't need to have on, you don't need to have really small braids or really good like braid down underneath here. This wig hides all imperfections. It's literally banging and effortless. Like, this is definitely going to be a go-to. I feel like she's appropriate for all occasions. She's great for work. She's short. You can still do what you gotta do. If you wanted to put her in a ponytail, you know, you could easily just throw her in a ponytail so you have her out of your face. After work, let her back down, go out to the bar, grab you a drink. I mean, I feel like she's great date night hair. If you're natural and you just don't feel like doing a braid out or a twist out, you can throw this on and it's just perfect. I feel like this is an everyday slay. You could put a head wrap around her. I feel like maybe I'm gonna do a styling video because I have so many ideas of how you could style this wig. It would be bomb as a styling video. So I think I'm gonna do that. Thumbs up this video if you want to see that. You can grab this unit on SAMSBEAUTY.com, and yeah, I'll leave a link to where you can grab her. Shout out to Outre for this one. Another slay, of course. I'm not surprised. Outre always comes through with the everyday glam, okay? Yes, always. So this one is bomb. I absolutely love it. And if I've missed anything or you have questions, leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.